Welcome back to Space Engineer Scrapyard Survival. So what do we have? We have, I did cleanup. Let's start on this side and we'll go that way for everything. So I still have this monstrosity up here, but on the inside of the factory, I finished the floor. So the factory's got a full floor now. So that's good. The tube here, the connection tube, I've redone. Again, I may redo this junction so that I can actually put a support pillar in the middle. I may do that. I haven't decided yet. But for now, this will work. And then the yard has been cleaned up a little bit. Can't see both chats. The yard's been cleaned up a little bit. I got some of the vehicles out of the way. Out of here, as you can tell. So I do some cleanup and get rid of some stuff. Like, that van's gotta go, and this thing's gonna go. The battery in here is useful. But, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, today the plan is to go wreck hunting. I got one there. I think I got one more. Yeah, I got two. I got a second one over here. I don't know where that one's at, but I know that one's over there. So this thing is kicking up dust and stuff. It's got landing pads on the doors for docking. That's interesting. It's an interesting way to make it dock. Now, I don't know what it's going to take to get us control of it. If I go on the outside, it does have guns. They're just off. So, that's not a big deal. Yeah, sure enough, just powered off. I don't know what this thing's wiggle problem is. It does have mag plates on the bottom. It's got a lot of them. Oh, do I need to? No, I don't need to hack those. Sea cucumber. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Wait a second. There's a turret up there. There's another ore detector over here. How many ore detectors do you need? I mean, isn't one enough? I may just do better off just to detach this thing from the ground and drag it home. Bigger problem is I don't know where like, it says it's got like hydrogen conversions, H2O2 converters. I don't see them like anywhere. is like a huge issue. Well, because I'm not sure where some of this stuff is. This thing might do better for us just to come by with a bigger ship and carry it home. To be honest. It might do better. Because it's got so many components that need to be hacked. So I have a quick hack mod installed that I'm not exactly sure where to find everything. And it's got so many gyroscopes. Makes me wonder. I like the design. Alright, well, let's go ahead and retract the crane. Thank you. I have to move that, make it a lot bigger. Alright, back. I'll come back and pick this up with the larger carriers. Because I'm going to have to come over and to drill it out, pick it up. I might be able to do it with this thing, but not with the gun in tow. With the gun trailer in tow, I'm not going to be able to pick it up. It would just be way too awkward. Alright, so this we can pick up, though. We just have to pick it up and put it on the thing. Where is it? Oh, we're too far forward. Back here. It's not that we're too far forward to pick it up, it's just... It's not that big of a deal. One of those things. These little craft like this. They got a lot of useful parts on them, so I tend to pick them up and carry them home. And then detach it. Takes care of that problem. Now, fold the crane back up and we're good to go. They don't have a script to fold the crane up, unfortunately. Yeah, some people have like a script that can help fold the crane up. So what we're going to do here is under here, GPS. Small, large, small frame for frame wall. Where's this one at? Since it's like right here. I thought it was farther away than that. Let's see what you've got. You are shooting at me! That's bad. Alright. Let's get out of range. Alright. Well, we can't have anything that can shoot at me that close to home. So, and it looks like he shot my rear end. However, he is in for a world of hurt because this turret is in range. Can't see. Alright. Hold on, let me disable the... Let me unlock here. Now let me go around the other side of this. Because there's two things there. Something that's wants to shoot me. Let's stay away from that. And there's something that I don't know what that is. But with this weather, it's gonna be a little bit hard to see what's going on here. Alright, everybody's on. So let's get in range of that one. And see what's going on there. As I said, I've got lots of guns. Turn it off. I think its guns are down now. It might have a gun like on the ground or something. But it's not shooting at me, so let's figure out what we got here. It's moving. I think. I think it's moving. I don't know if it's actually moving or if it's just hovering. Oh, okay. Well, there's its turret. It's offline. This is actually... What is that? Okay, so I see what's the problem here is. It's got engines that are active. just have to disable the controls. And we should be okay. Thankfully, this thing doesn't have an AI that was aggressive. Come on. Having all these wrecks is annoying. But, there's that one. That offline. I just want to get, I don't want the engines on. I just want them to have their components. So that I can deal with them. Because if they're, powered, then they're just annoying. But if they're... This is the same fighter that I have back at home, I think. No, actually, I think it's a smaller version. It's annoying, we'll say that. It's definitely an annoying craft. But if we can get control of it, access denied. Why can't they get access to that? It's weird. Sometimes when you hack batteries, they seem to respond. Other times when you hack batteries, they don't. Oops. Well, that wasn't planned. Oh, I can deal with this. Just have to get a few more things sorted out, and come on, little engine. Why won't it give me access to the engine? Always a nuisance dealing with these things. Spotlights. Now for our lives, this thing is a bit of an amazing thing because it's got a lot of good parts. However, I can't get it to power down or anything like that. Okay, more troublesome than it's worth. Right, so the bus is over there. I'll just go get the bus. Because if I grab the bus, I can come back, I can lift it up, and then I can look underneath and see if I can figure out what's going on. Because the gun track, it's useful and all. I mean, it's a great doorstop, don't get me wrong. It's not so good at dealing with, ships that are trying to fly away. Problem, I don't think I put a beacon on that thing. That's bad. But it's okay. What the heck is this? The bus is so far away. And the snow does not help. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I just have to go get the bus, go there, pick up the thing, bring it back, and just drop it off. We'll be fine. Okay. Let's get us turned around. The only thing I don't like about this, though, is the weather. The weather is miserable, like, all the time. So I'm constantly having to, like, manually clear the weather, or having to go, what was that? No, everything looks okay. There it is. Okay, here we go. Now, considering what we're dealing with here, I'm going to drop the landing gear, because this is going to be awkward. It's going to be awkward to deal with, so. I'm going to go ahead and give me the advantage of having that already in place. Let's go ahead and straighten out our little lever here. And up and down and over and up and down and yeah, that'll work. I can grab the cockpit, we'll be good to go. Alright. It is just bouncing up a storm, ain't it? Now, to be fair, we're going to pull this thing around. Pull it in. And we're going to lower it down just a little. Pull it a little farther. Not quite that far. But this will let me get underneath that. Ah, thought I had them all off. That's definitely a cause for concern. Let's see here. Now, I think that's all of the engines now. Granted, there's a reactor here. Let's bring this down just a little more. You go up. And then you bring it in. Bloody bugger. I got a delay today. It's being weird. I don't know, it's been kind of weird, so bear with the lag and the delays. So with that, do I have a control of the cockpit? This cockpit, for whatever reason, does not want to cough up control. Off. I have batteries on auto. What do we have? Batteries. There's an incomplete battery and a battery that is off. It's got one small reactor. It's offline. And it's got a hydrogen generator I do not have access to, which is currently outputting 0. It looks like it's on. That's a problem. Yeah. So let's see if we can straighten this thing out. Just a little bit. Yep. Right. Lift up. You know, stop. That might just be weird. There we go. Now, if we lower it down just nice and easy. Ugh. See? Now, it's a bad angle. But you know what? I don't care about the angle. It'll lock. And is it locking? Nope. Okay, so we're gonna have to fix the angle. So if we want to fix this angle, we're going to need to what is its problem? Wait. It's attached. Oh, somebody did lock. Okay. So apparently one of the pads did get purchased. Okay. Oops. Guess that works. And then we'll just dock that. So somebody got a lock on this thing. I didn't hear it lock, but something got a lock. I don't know who got a lock, but one of the pads got a lock. There we go. One of the front pads. Ooh, we lost a few plates. Not too shabby though. And doing these little tiny skirts, they're cheap, but they don't really provide much protection. And I'm not a big fan of the lack of protection, but it's definitely a thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn off that waypoint there. And we'll be good to go for the next run. Alright, so let's go ahead and unload this stuff. Go back up. Back up. Okay, get this straightened out a little bit. There. Good to go. Now. Oh yeah, the ground piston, reverse, switch lock. There we go. So we'll take these back, and then I think we'll go check out the bar. I don't think we're gonna need the guns for the bar. I don't think. It does still show white, but that doesn't mean anything. It might have guns, I don't know. Because we might, if it's not too much of a hassle, might bring that back. As is. It's always a possibility. But for these things, I'm going to use the collect it. See what it's got. If it's got anything good. Now I have this really nice trailer. It's actually not too bad to go around. I just got to get it set up to where I can actually take it up and down some more aggressive landscape. Now, if you sit there and hang around this place long enough, eventually you'll start getting some scenic stuff. But what we're looking for is to be just outside 800 meters. And then I think the guns on this one are all on the top. I think. Alright, well, switch lock. So we've got our guns. Turn our guns on. Send them to weapons. Turn our guns on. Now. What do you mean my guns aren't working? Oh, wow. Okay, never mind. They used up all the ammo. Well then. That's not good. Alright, hold on. I think if I do these guns manually, I actually can shoot that range. There it goes. Just gotta get in range. Well, I think we're gonna have an issue. Alright, well. No. Let the guns go and see how this works. Because I am out of ammo. I did not realize I was going to be out of ammo so quickly. No, I have ammo for those guns. They just have to get in range. That's not a problem. Are the turrets all dead now? Yeah, the turrets are dead. Cool. Alright, so get the truck. Now we'll take a look at it. This one is one of those that I don't think actually has a lot of take-home value. I think this is one of the ones that's useful for just scrapping in the field. But considering I'm out of ammunition in all of my guns, that is definitely an issue. That we're gonna have to worry about. Alright, well. Alright, there we go. Alright. Let's roll on in. Now, taking down those big cruisers, I want to do those. But they're going to be kind of hard to do. I might have to use long-range weapons. So I get those, either artillery or I forget what it's called. I need to make sure I have a pistol on me. Because... Oh, I do have a little bit of ammo on me. A little ammo for those. Now, why this has got that in it, I don't know. Where's that small container at? I think it's like right around here somewhere. I don't know. In any case, what I do need to do is grab that and that. Don't need that. And then character weapons. Mount my rifle as a just in case. Because I don't remember if it's got any guns on the inside. It might. In which case I want to make sure I open it on this end. I had like a for anti-personnel turret or something. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nope, no APCs. Or APT in this case. Alright. Nice. So let's go up top and grab the turrets first. Because those things are going to have some ammo. Really? This is poorly designed. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Alright. This is one of those that I took home. Like, the whole wall. If memory serves. Because there was, like, a whole wall that was actually really useful. Okay. Yeah, I got the turret. Sweet. No ammo. Well, that's not useful. There's a building in front of me that I can't really see. It's red and it's got at least one turret on it. So we're gonna come over here to the side. Block the target. We'll park ourselves a little out. And I will take the gunnery chair in and just to be safe, let's put ourselves at 9. This has got a little, it's got some holes in my skirt. Do my guns have issues? A little plate, a little plate, a little plate. Those are good. Yay. So, the facility ahead of us looks like it's got a turret. Not sure what it is. Once I get into 800 meters, I'll be able to shoot at it. So let's go ahead and definitely got a turret on top. Oops. However, put those on. That turret, for whatever reason, is in range. I think it's got a couple of anti-personnel turrets, as well as one larger turret. I think that's what building this is. So 2 anti-personnel turrets and 1 large turret on top. I think that's what we have. I've seen it before. If it's the one I don't remember. Yeah, it's the building I remember. I remember this building. Oh, look. 80% truck got shot off its hinges. This one is interesting because it's got hydrogen tanks on the side. It's got hydrogen engine on this side. I don't care about the components. Just taking the engine out. Now, it might have a, I didn't obliterate it this time, so last time I saw one of these, man, I hammered it. I hammered it hard. Like all these, you know, knick-knack storage devices or whatever were all burnt out. So I just you know, if we take these home and then stick them all in the vending machine, in the bar, that might not be too bad. And since all the turrets are out of it, we just have to hack everybody. So that they're all friendly. That's friendly, that's friendly, that's friendly. I don't care about you being friendly. You can stay offline. I definitely don't want that online, because that just means one more thing I have to worry about. And this is one of those things that we don't really need this thing online. I just want to hack everything so that we can come back and, you know, because then the facility is marked as ours. the big components here that we need to worry about, I think, are all upstairs. Roof. Or on the first floor. Like these vending machines would go great in the bar that we have out front. They have nearby. And over here, there's the thing. And if memory serves, this side? Nope, other side. Timer block. Okay.
Inventory full.
Oops. Yeah, I don't need to anyway. What I want to do is just take this thing offline.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Yeah, I know. I just want to take it out. Right, let's go get the bus. Bus is behind me. It's back here, generators. Let's just leave my truck there for now. The storm's gonna be is a mess. Probably I kind of want to get off this planet, but I need to remodel the transport first, so I can take the bus with me. Because I don't want to go over with nothing. I mean, I could put it on the upper deck, maybe? I definitely want to make it wider, if not taller. Because the bus I could actually just mag plate to the upper deck. The trailer too. Take it up a ramp, just put it right on. Wouldn't be that big of a deal. All things considered. But gonna have to do some work around that. Also remember, we don't have a jump drive, so if we're flying to another planet, it's gonna be a while. Alright, let's drive up. And then we'll clean this up here. I said with this particular setup, can I take buildings home? Answer is yes, but not if I have the gun trailer with me. Gun trailer basically makes it impossible to take something home. It's just makes it nearly impossible to do that. Now, this building is not going home. I'm just getting rid of some of the annoying bits. There we go. Like I said, it's this stupid weather. This particular planet has some of the worst weather. This is what makes this planet a survival nightmare, is the weather. Some of the other planets have other issues, like the sand planet. All of the ice is at the poles. Which has a problem that it's guarded by some rather aggressive targets, to my understanding. And when I mean aggressive, I'm talking like 30, 40 drones will spawn on you. The only way to deal with that, honestly, would be to build a large frame assault platform that you'd be able to use. Oh, looks like this thing's got nothing useful in it. Now, some of these bases actually have like materials and stuff, like the last one, and this one has just nothing in it, which is interesting. Let me see here. There's the O2 tanks. Some small hydrogen tanks on the outside. Vending machines. There's not a timer box somewhere. I'm gonna need to get to the roof to do some of the I have animal, I'm gonna read it. Okay, so like getting up there is a key. There we go. And doing it this way, I can comfortably. You need steel back. Looks like they're not gonna shoot me. I can do that. Okay. Let's have a look at this. So this thing's got 2 windmills. It does have guns. But owner, nobody. Oh. This is a nobody station? Oh, I can dig that. Look at this pit. This is a mess. And what do you have? What don't you have? Well, let's go ahead and take control of the facility. You have a couple interior turrets, some lab equipment, a remote control block, some small containers. Inventory is ammo, uranium. It's in a locker, so it can't be used. Some ice. Oh, what? No way! This has got some serious stuff. I don't know. I kind of like this one. What does it have? It's got an assembler and a basic assembler, basic refinery, a couple of batteries that died. The 2 wind turbines. Now, the wind turbines are kind of in a bad spot because, useful. They're kind of in a bad spot because they're off to the side. And with them being off to the side, the way they are, they've got solar panels. 2 solar panels and 2 wind turbines. However, if we move the wind turbines onto the main structure, yeah, I'm not gonna go with these round ones. So thank you for dropping in, me and the bus. Really appreciate you dropping in. And I will see you next time, and we will see what we'll pick up then.